next will be continue the function 1 is completed. You can see the truth table and logic circuit. Again second one F2 x bar y bar plus x bar y bar z plus x bar y z plus x y bar. So this is the Boolean function F2. I will simplify the first truth table and next one logic circuit. Okay. So this is the truth table. So already I have informed how many variables in use. For example, 2 power of 3, 8 values is available, variables is available, x, y, z. I will first draw the diagram of your value in Boolean function. Okay, so next one x bar. So this is the first one, x bar will be used and another y bar. Okay, x bar and y bar. So first x bar, same things of here. 0 is, what is the x bar? 1. So 0, 1 is, so 0 is 1. Again x0 is 1, 0 is 1. You can changes of your value x bar. So next I will add y bar. What is the y bar? What is the y value? Y value is 0 means y bar is automatically 1. Okay. So same pattern, the follow the column x bar. Okay. So next, so second step is you can use of x bar y bar. These are multiplications, product x bar y bar. What is the x bar and y bar? So this is the x and y. So already I will be changes of your x bar y bar. So this column you can use. So fourth and fifth column. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth column. Okay, fourth and fifth column you can use of x bar y bar. 1 into 1. What is that? 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 1, again 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. So you can, the column 6 is available, x bar y bar. So this is the simplification 1. Next one, totally the simplification x bar y bar z. What is that? X bar y bar z means the z value is available in your third column. So you can, how to solve the Boolean expression, so Boolean function in the x bar y bar z means, so third column and sixth one. Okay, so this one 0 into 1 is 0, product. 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 0, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0. Okay, so this is the F2. First you can solve the function. So next one, x bar y. So this is the x bar y. So this is the value is x bar y. What is the x bar value is? Column 4 and y value is 2. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Again 1 into 1, 1. So this column will be finished x bar y. Again x bar yz. 8, 9 point. X bar yz. You can, x bar yz means already is available in x bar y value is 8 column. Again z is available in third column. You can compare to the 9th and third column. Okay. So what is that? So sorry, 8 and third column. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. You can understand. So next we will go to the x y bar. So x is available in your column 1. Y bar is available in your column 5. Okay. So 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 1. So sorry, 0. 0 into 1 is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So after that column will be finished. So total this function you can execute x bar y bar z plus x bar y z plus x y bar. Okay, so this is the full and full of your F2 function. So what is that? x, y, z is available in your x bar, y bar, z is column 7. Again x bar, y, z is, you can use of x bar, y bar is column 9. X and y bar is column 10. So the knowledge person, for example, knowledge students is available. Your knowledge is gained. You can directly will be use of your direct x y bar. You can directly calculation. So okay. So these three column I will simplify. 0 into 0 into 0. 0 0 is 1. 1 0 0 is 0. 1 1 0 is 0. So sorry 1. 0 0 is 1 is 1. 0 0 1 is 1. 0 0 is 0 0. So this is the simplification and Boolean expression or Boolean function, how to execute the truth table in your function. Okay, so this. Next go to the logic circuit diagram. Logic circuit diagram. Because something software clearly understand, you cannot skip the video. Okay, so you cannot skip the video. For example, this is the, you can skip the video, you cannot understand the program. Okay, so this is the logic circuit diagram. The x value, y and z. X is x bar, so this is the not symbol, you can use of not symbol, and y, okay, OR gate, you can use of your y symbol in your not. Okay, so x and x y bar, you can, what is that, x y z, so you can use of your gate the multiplications, and next go to the, come to the next point. So this is the x bar, y, z, so you can use. So last one x and y dash. Okay, so you can use of your x, you can go, and y dash, you can draw the diagram, and you can use a product is a gate will be used, and last one f2 is full of your additions. Okay, OR gate, you can use of your OR gate, you can the f2. So this is the simple simple logic circuit diagram. So you can example of, you can changes of your function, for example x, y, z, you can use of your, for example the 4 variables of your, this is a 3 variable, 4 variables means w, x, y, z, 4 variables, what is that, 4 variable, you can use of your 4 variables, 2 power of 4. So how many? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to 4, 16 values. Okay, so you can, the simple Boolean function definition and 2 function you can implement. So one is truth table, another one is logic circuit table. Okay, thank you students.